Guys, my name is Miracle. Welcome back to the Miracle Show. In today's episode, we will be doing something. You saw a clip ago. We're gonna be doing stuff in this video, and we're gonna be getting my life together and making me feel better. So I guess you could say this video is a mental refresh, a physical refresh. So just refresh my life, maybe. My hair is just really not giving. It's not serving. But I'm having my second meal of the day. This is the first time that I've ate like a normal person in like a month. I had a meal today. It was chocolate croissants with sausage and eggs. I made some for my brother and me. And now I'm eating this. It has pasta in it and a lot of chicken. And I don't really like chicken. Not because I'm like a vegan, but because I just don't like the texture. I have a thing with texture. And I was talking to somebody about it because you know how when you open like soda can, like not cans, the plastic soda bottles, and it has that like those lines on the bottle, on the cap. And when you open it, it grinds against your fingers. So you're like able to get a grip on a bottle and open up the bottle. But like, let me set you down because we're gonna talk. But I just can't. I can't do it. I can't. Even if I am like trying to open it, like I'll gag, like literally. My desk and my couch and my bed is clean, and that's all that matters. Now I just have this pile of clothes. Those are dirty clothes, so I need to find a basket and put them in. I need to take my trash out and then find what I'm going to do with all this arts and crafts stuff that's sitting on my floor. Everything else is literally clean. This is the only stuff that's just been sitting on my floor. So I'm going to make a to-do list right quick because I have a lot that I want to list out and name. Taking my trash and I smelled duty. And my family's gone. They all went to, not Alaska. Where did they go? Alabama? They went somewhere to surprise their cousin because she's an actor and she had a play to go to. And I'm stuck and I'm watching the fur babies. And he doo-dooed and peed in the cage. Coco's a good girl, so she peed and doo-dooed outside, but I have to clean it up. I opened up all the windows, so I guess that's another cleaning thing that we're going to do. I'm not going to show you guys because it's kind of disgusting, but that's what I will be doing for like the next 30 minutes. So it is currently 7:56. I gave both dogs a bath, cleaned both sides of the cage. It took me about 2 hours. They're currently upstairs. I did use bleach, so I'm going to let them stay upstairs until they annoy me, which is probably going to be in about 3 hours. Then I'll take them downstairs. But yeah, that's what I did. So it is currently 10:21. I had took a break and I was texting a friend. Some people are gonna think I'm weird for this, but I just eat tomatoes. Like, I'll put salt and pepper and shake it up in a bowl and I'll just eat it. It's so good. I don't understand why everybody be tripping, but I'm gonna make me a snack. I have some rice in the microwave, as you can hear it popping. And I'm gonna make these tomatoes, finish cleaning up my bathroom because I'm almost done. And then we're gonna continue doing everything on my to-do list. My body has been so used to staying up super duper late. And I know that's bad, but for the convenience of this video, it's actually very good. So after that, then I'm gonna get my sleep back on track because, you know, still kind of have a job. Kinda. I still have a life to take care of and uplift. So me trying to do the best that I can to do everything today is making me feel a lot better. So let's make a snack. Good morning, guys. Next day. I get my hair done today. It's around 11. I woke up at 7, but my body was like, go back to sleep. This and get my hair done, and we're gonna finish everything else on my to-do list. So I went to McDonald's and I got some food because it's like 11 o'clock and I was hungry. So. Hair up. I took it out of the ponytail. I look like a freaking volcano. But I'm actually gonna go downstairs and wash it because my mom has a client right now. So she's doing her hair, and then after she does her hair, she needs to do mine, which means I kind of need to hurry up because sew-ins don't really take that long. But I need to hurry up. And I hate washing my hair on my own. But let me show you what I use. Well, at least what conditioner I use because I don't have any of my other stuff. Let me show you my hair things. So, oh no, this is shampoo. This is the Natural Shea Butter Cleansing Cream Shampoo. This is what I use to wash my hair. This is a spray bottle full of water. I use this a lot. This is scrunchie on my finger. Well, not my finger, on my wrist. I like these a lot. This is my edge control brush. It needs to be clean. Look. This is the brush that I'm using to detangle. And this is the And this is a claw clip I got in my thrifting video. But before we do my nails, before we do my hair, I'm going to do my nails. As you can see, nails are coming off, guys, and it looks very ghetto. Here's a sneak peek of my hair. It's not fully done. I hate it. I do. I spent like $80 on this hair and I don't have enough. So 2 braids are sticking out and the individuals that are in the front, those are still out. But I'm going to the Riverwalk. So that's something for me to look cute for, I guess. So I'm getting ready to go. I think I might just find a scarf and just like turban it or something. I might have my godmom do it. I don't know.